In a rotary or traffic circle, you should drive straight. A. Opposite to the oncoming vehicles. B. In a counterclockwise direction. C. In a clockwise direction. D. A rotary or traffic circle is a circular intersection in which all traffic travels counterclockwise, i.e., to the right. Correct answer. C. In a clockwise direction. A collector's highway in New Brunswick can be identified by a blue highway marker with a number from 100 to 199. B. Green highway marker with a number from 1 to 99. C. Green highway marker with a number from 100 to 199. D. Blue highway marker with a number from 1 to 99. Correct answer. A. Blue highway marker with a number from 100 to 199. While backing your vehicle, your right/left hand should be at the dash on the steering wheel. A. 12 o'clock position. B. 11 o'clock position. C. 10 o'clock position. D. 2 o'clock position. Correct answer. A. 12 o'clock position. Question 4. When driving on a two-way road without yellow lines dividing the opposing lanes, you should leave at least half the road for vehicles going in the opposite direction. Always drive on the left side of the road. Use the full road when there is no oncoming traffic. Do none of the above. Correct answer. Leave at least half the road for vehicles going in the opposite direction. What does this sign mean? A. Road work ahead. B. Truck entrance ahead. C. Fire truck entrance ahead. D. Railway crossing ahead. Correct answer is B. Truck entrance ahead. What does this sign indicate? A dead end. A truck inspection station. A loading dock. A school bus stop. Correct answer is B. A truck inspection station. A. Class 7. Level 2 driver may carry up to 2 passengers, 4 passengers, 1 passenger, 3 passengers. Correct answer. D. 3 passengers. How do the yellow line markings on the pavement assist drivers in safe driving? A. They guide traffic to make a left turn. B. They guide traffic to make a right turn. C. They separate lanes of traffic moving in the same direction. D. They separate lanes of traffic moving in opposite directions. Correct answer is D. They separate lanes of traffic moving in opposite directions. You should never back up your vehicle in any travel lane except at intersections, at lane crossings and on curves, on the highway, to park. Correct answer is D. To park. What does this sign mean? Dangerous goods are prohibited. Passing is prohibited. A warning sign is ahead. Dangerous goods are allowed. Correct answer is D. Dangerous goods are allowed. What does this sign indicate? Divided highway ends. Two-way traffic ahead. Obstruction ahead, pass on either side. Divided highway begins. Correct answer is C. Obstruction ahead, pass on either side. What does this sign indicate? Moose crossing. Deer crossing. Zoo ahead. Forest ahead. Correct answer is Moose crossing. What does this road sign mean? Cattle crossing ahead. Veterinary hospital ahead. Deer crossing ahead. Farmhouse ahead. Correct answer is Cattle crossing ahead. If you cannot see to drive under conditions of densely falling or blowing snow, what should you do? Slow down. Increase your speed to get out of the area faster. Pull off the road and wait for the snow to stop. Turn on your parking lights. Correct answer is B. Pull off the road and wait for the snow to stop. It is safe to pass a vehicle on the right in all of the following situations, except where there is more than one lane traveling in your direction, when the vehicle is making a left turn or signaling a left turn, when you drive onto the shoulder to pass the vehicle, on a one-way street. Correct answer is C. When you drive onto the shoulder to pass the vehicle. How should you enter a divided highway? A. Move onto an entrance ramp, and then into an acceleration lane. Signal your intention to move left. B. Move onto an entrance ramp, and then into an acceleration lane. Signal your intention to slow down. C. Move into an acceleration lane, and then onto an entrance ramp. Signal your intention to slow down. D. Move into an acceleration lane, and then onto an entrance ramp. Signal your intention to move left. Correct answer is A. Move onto an entrance ramp, and then into an acceleration lane. Signal your intention to move left. What does this sign indicate? A. Concealed or hidden intersection. B. Railway crossing. C. Road closed. D. Narrow road. Correct answer is A. Concealed or hidden intersection. You are driving on a wet road and have to stop quickly. If your vehicle does not have anti-lock brakes, ABS, what should you do? A. Pump the brakes. B. Brake hard. C. Apply steady brake pressure, release slightly if the wheels are locking up, and reapply. D. Turn off the ignition and apply the handbrake. Correct answer is C. Apply steady brake pressure, release slightly if the wheels are locking up, and reapply. Which type of child safety seat is appropriate for a newborn baby? A. A forward-facing child seat. B. A bassinet. C. A rear-facing child seat. D. A booster seat. Correct answer is C. A rear-facing child seat. Check for pedestrians in which of the following locations? A. To the sides of the vehicle. B. Behind the rear view mirror. C. Beside the door pillars. D. All of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above. In New Brunswick, you should maintain a following distance of at least dash behind the vehicle in front of you. A. 2 seconds. B. 6 seconds. C. 4 seconds. D. 3 seconds. Correct answer is A. 2 seconds. What should you do if a wheel runs off the pavement and onto the shoulder of the road? A. Brake hard to a stop. B. Take your foot off the accelerator and steer straight ahead. C. Accelerate to cross the pavement. D. Jerk the car back onto the road with a quick turn of the steering wheel. Correct answer is B. Take your foot off the accelerator and steer straight ahead. Which of the following is an example of a medical restriction caused by a driver's poor vision? A. Your vehicle must be equipped with hand controls. B. Your vehicle must have an ignition interlock. C. You must wear corrective lenses. D. Your steering wheel must be equipped with a steering knob. Correct answer is C. You must wear corrective lenses. When a driver approaches a farm vehicle, which of the following is the most difficult to assess? A. The load on the farm vehicle. B. The size of the farm vehicle. C. The lane in which the farm vehicle is traveling. D. The the speed at which the farm vehicle is traveling? Correct answer is D. The speed at which the farm vehicle is traveling. When the temperature has dropped below 0 degrees Celsius, you should use dash before starting the engine. A. A space heater. B. Air conditioning. C. Windshield washer fluid. D. A block heater. Correct answer is D. A block heater. All of the following will increase the safety of a pedestrian on a roadway except A. Walking on the roadway after dark while carrying a light or wearing light-colored clothing. B. Walking on the sidewalk if there is one. C. Walking on the shoulder or the right side of the roadway, facing away from approaching traffic. D. Walking on the shoulder or the left side of the roadway, facing approaching traffic. Correct answer is C. Walking on the shoulder or the right side of the roadway, facing away from approaching traffic. A driver attempts to foresee potential collisions and is prepared to avoid them. This driving practice is known as A. Regressive driving. B. Aggressive driving. C. Offensive driving. D. Defensive driving. Correct answer is D. Defensive driving. What does this sign indicate? A. A campground. B. Accommodations. C. Tourist information. D. Picnic facilities. Correct answer is A. A campground. Which requirements must a 16-year-old applicant meet to obtain a Class 7 Level I graduated license? A. The applicant must pass a vision screening. B. The applicant must obtain parental consent that must be witnessed by a non-relative. C. The applicant must pass written, basic and road sign recognition tests. D. The applicant must meet all of the above requirements. Correct answer is D. The applicant must meet all of the above requirements. What does this sign indicate? A. Accommodations available. B. A meeting place. C. A museum. D. A housing development. Correct answer is C. A museum. A disability placard is valid for a maximum period of A. 5 years. B. 10 years. C. 12 months. D. 2 years. Correct answer is A. 5 years. Two cars are turning onto a divided highway. Which car is turning correctly? A. Car A. B. Neither car. C. Car B. D. Both cars. Correct answer is C. Car B. Broken white lines painted on highways at entry and exit ramps are called A. Continuity lines. B. Lane separation lines. C. Broken lines. D. Stop lines. Correct answer is A. Continuity lines. To increase safety while driving in fog, you should A. Drive using low-beam headlights. B. Gradually reduce speed and avoid sudden stops. C. Creep slowly if the fog is dense. D. Do all of the above. Correct answer is D. Do all of the above. What does this sign mean? A. Surface subject to icing. B. Reverse curve ahead. C. Steep hill ahead. D. Bumpy surface. Correct answer is A. Surface subject to icing. What is the youngest age at which you may apply for some class of license? A. 18. B. 16. C. 15. D. 14. Correct answer is D. 14. How does this sign regulate traffic? A. By allowing traffic in all directions shown. B. By warning of a traffic junction ahead. C. By acting as a two-way lane signal. D. By allowing pedestrians in all directions. Correct answer is A. By allowing traffic in all directions shown. Dash road signs inform drivers of off-road facilities and motorist services. A. Blue. B. Orange. C. Brown. D. Red. Correct answer is C. Brown. What does this sign indicate? A. Two-lane road. B. Passing permitted. C. No passing. D. One-way road. Correct answer is B. Passing permitted. What should you not do if a blowout occurs? A. Brake immediately. B. Hold the steering wheel firmly. C. Brake only when your speed is reduced. D. Take your foot off the accelerator. Correct answer is A. Brake immediately. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.